There's a trumpet from Louis Armstrong. Some shoes from Ella Fitzgerald up there. There's a bass by Megadeth. And that's a jacket worn by Stevie Ray Vaughan. There's an autographed guitar by the band Garbage. And a guitar signed by Eddie Van Halen. There's a guitar by Peter Frampton. And right across from that is a Kid Rock guitar. There's Harrah's Casino downtown.
To Walmart Supercenter. Head south on Iberville Street. Stay in the middle lane.
There's only a left and a right lane.
Use the left lane to make a U-turn. Then keep right onto Convention Center Boulevard.
Whoa! What the? Hey everybody, it's Yogi and Chucky.
Hey!
We're on the Lake Ponchatrain Causeway. This is supposedly, according to Lori, it's a pretty long bridge. So I don't know how long it is, but here, I'm going to take this off of here. I just put it on, I don't know why.
This is a huge lake.
Yeah, it's a huge lake. But in the background there, I don't know if you can see it from here, but there's the Superdome way back in there. And downtown New Orleans is back that way. But this is Lake Ponchatrain. And it is huge. I'm going to hook this up and we're just going to drive across Lake Ponchatrain. So, here we go. Enjoy the ride, folks. So we are on our way to Covington, right? the other end. I'm just guessing. I don't know.
I don't think there's
Probably not anymore.
a drawbridge anywhere out here.
Oh, it's pretty much flat like this?
Yeah.
Again, I've never been on this before. It's my first time. So, yeah. Coming up on mile marker number 6. And you said this is about 20 miles? Wow. I think way, way, way off I can see some buildings.
Oh, yeah.
Way, way, way off.
Yep. And when you get on, that's how you'll probably see New Orleans, if I remember correctly.
I think it's higher up here.
Yep.
Which means there must be some larger boats that go through. No?
I don't know. I didn't see any boats on here. So I'm not sure if boats go on.
Well, I'm not thinking ships or anything.
No, I know. You're thinking like just regular boats. I don't know. I don't remember seeing any boats on it. I mean, and there's nothing on the other side either.
Mile marker number 7.
This is just cool. You know, you got people that are afraid of bridges or whatever.
Well, the Skyline, the Sunshine Skyway Bridge, that was high. But that didn't bother me.
So there you can turn around to go back.
Okay. We are going up higher.
And she also has a fear of heights.
Oh. So do I.
So she wasn't having it. Yeah, but you don't have a fear of bridges and heights.
No. Bridges don't bother me. Planes. I used to hate planes, man. I used to say I'm never going up in one of those damn things.
Now you love flying.
I love flying.
It's cool.
It is.
I was just surprised when we were going to Tucson before we got to Denver, and I looked out the window how fast other planes were going that I could see. It was like,
Yeah.
and I was like, how fast are we?
I think planes can go like 512. That's the usual cruising speed or something.
I mean, you can't even imagine something going really fast.
When you come into San Diego, Chucky, you're coming like right over downtown, and I mean, it's kind of freaky because we were going in at night, and all the buildings were lit up, and San Diego International is just one runway. That's
Wow.
it. And you come in right over the building, and when you leave, you go out over the ocean, and then you turn back around and you start going east.
Wow.
But it's pretty cool because you get a really cool shot over San Diego. I took a picture on my phone. I'm pretty sure it's on my computer somewhere. I'll have to show you. But yeah, that was a cool trip. 10 miles. We were at the 10-mile marker. I wonder how battered this thing got during Katrina.
I don't know, but there were houses, well, that was 4 years ago, that still had the tarps. But that wasn't from Katrina. That was from a different hurricane that went through, and I can't remember the name. Are you interested in cruising by Six Flags New Orleans, or you want to skip it?
Sure. Just gotta find out where it is. I'm interested. We got 3 days, Chucky. 3 days to check out the sights, the sounds, the smells.
You'll like New Orleans. Down on the French Quarter and stuff, it's cool. It's really cool.
I've been to like...
The Hard Rock down there is really cool.
I've been to like faux French quarters. But this will be the genuine article, the real deal.
See, and I would move to Mandeville. Mandeville's beautiful.
And there's mile 12 coming up. So yeah, this is quite the long cruise, man.
Indeed it is.
Holy moly, because I think the longest bridge going down to Key West is the 7-mile bridge. So this is definitely one of, if not the longest bridge.
This is, I forget, it holds a record for something. The largest man-made bridge over water, maybe? Or during a hurricane, because I know I wouldn't be.
It's a great place to visit. Why are we going to Mandeville and Covington, Lori? We're going to Covington for a specific restaurant that you had eaten at. Tell everybody a little bit about that experience and why you were down here.
All right, so in 2007.
All right, well, thanks for telling us about that, Lori. No,
you're gonna end up in the river. I mean the lake.
The lake.
Oh, I didn't say that out loud. So in 2017, I came down here for a habitat build to work on houses that had hurricane damage, and we went over to New Orleans, and
you were building in.
I was building in Mandeville.
Yes.
Which is right over the causeway from New Orleans. And there was a restaurant called the Chimes in Covington that has Cajun and Creole food, and it was just outstanding. So I've been itching to go back, and here we are on the way to Covington to go to the Chimes.
And I love me some Cajun food.
You do.
So if I can get that stuff traditional down here, and it's I'll tell you what though, I'm not going to eat a po' boy while I'm down here, because I had one at the St. Paul Fish Company in Mequon for my son's birthday, on the night of my son's birthday, my oldest son, and I got food poisoning from that. So I'll not be eating a lobster po' boy on this trip, as much as I love them. I'm going to back off for a little bit. Oh, and now we can see more of the shoreline from here. But anyways, yeah, so that's what we're doing. That is a very, very big lake. Because we are on mile marker 15, coming up on mile marker 16 since we started. So we've been on this bridge for 16 miles already. And here's a drawbridge.
Oh yeah. I didn't remember going over that.
And now we're going to drop back down again. Whee! Are asking what the toll is to be on the Mandeville. There is no toll, folks. It's just
no, there's a toll.
What?
Yep, they'll hit us there on this side.
Really? Oh, how much?
It wasn't much. It was like $5. I think it was like $5, yeah.
You don't tell me that stuff. Okay, we're at 20 miles right now. 20.5 miles. So it's even longer than 20 miles. Wow. That is crazy. That's a long bridge.
It's like 22, I think.
There's 22, mile marker 22.
Oh, it's more than 22 miles. Okay.
I'm going to say 24. So we look like we're about 2 more miles out. I don't know. Could be wrong. We're going pretty close to the shore. So that's the Lake Ponchatrain Causeway, ladies and gentlemen.
Roll food.
There's a boat. Our first boat.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay.
Boats. Lord, don't see the boats.
I see it now.
Focus on the road, Lord.
Well, it was in my blind spot.
You're going to be seeing stars if you keep it. All right, we're at mile 23, ladies and gentlemen. The things people filmed.